To all my warriors, I love you. You have fought with me, you have supported me, and I cannot let you down. Let them call me with dignity, with honor, and I shall come. Let them call us because we are the son of the soil and we have to be respected in our land. And if anyone wants to run Tripura by ignoring the indigenous population of Tripura, they will not find it very easy to run the state. So, I have heard what Hemanta Biswa Sarma has said, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, but it has to be officially followed and I have to officially be asked to come to discuss not about posts, not about individual seat sharings, but we have to be offered a constitutional solution. Call us for that and we will come and talk. We are, after all, proud people and we will go with pride and we will not go to Delhi asking for something which was ours and which was taken away from us. Belai no hambai,